How to get refund on Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get refund on Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to get refund on Shein, it is actually very simple, but it really depends upon what state the order is in. If it is already been like a month or two and past the refund policy, then you will not be able to refund that product. But if it has only been like a couple of days, then you can still refund the product after using it, depending upon the condition. So in order to do this, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically launch the Shein application over here. Once you launch the Shein app, you're gonna see this type of interface. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right. From the My Orders tab, tap the View All option here to come to the View All page. And over here you should be able to see a list of orders that you've added. So now you can just go ahead and select an order that you would like to cancel and then tap the refund option, and after you select that, you will be asked to fill a form. After you fill the form, Shein will ask you a couple of questions as to why you want to refund it. After that, you will be able to successfully refund your product. This way you'll be able to get refund on Shein. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.